Good day! This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are here with our popular affordable Watch Ultra clone in the market. We have the T800 Ultra smartwatch, and we have here the M9 Edge, also known as the T800 Pro Max. So both are T800. As you can see here, it is M9 Edge, but based on the product name here in the about section of the smartwatch, it is the T800 Pro Max. So we are going to compare these smartwatches, okay, the T800 Ultra and the T800 Pro Max. So the T800 Pro Max, it is also a Series 8 smartwatch, okay. So this one, okay, also a Series 8 smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding two these two smartwatches, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start comparing these two wearable. Again, I have here, okay, let me adjust this setup here. I have here the T800 Ultra smartwatch, and we have here the T800 Pro Max smartwatch. Okay, as you can see here, both do have the same size. Okay, these are 44 to 45 millimeter smartwatch. Okay, this is the Series 8, one of the most affordable Series 8 smartwatch in the market. Okay, so let's check it side by side here. Okay, the back, okay, and on the other side. So this one, as you can see, it still looks like the Series 7 and the Series 8, Series 7 and the Series 6 smartwatch. So the T800 Ultra here, it is a 45 millimeter, much smaller than the popular 49 millimeter smartwatch. Okay, so let's check. And of course, so this one, it is using, I think this one is using the Smartwatch Pro Support App. The same with this one. Okay, so let me show it to you. Okay, as you can see here, the same logo. Okay, so I guess they also have the same operating system here. Okay, gone back. Okay, so the same layout or UI. How many styles do we have here? 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we have at least 4 style. Here we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 style also. So the same. Okay. Okay, again, let me show it to you. Okay, the same layout. On top, we have the notifications. On the other side, so you can scroll or cycle through the different watch faces available in the smartwatch. Okay, so the same UI here, or method of accessing the watch face. Bottom part again, this one. Okay, no split screen support. Okay, so let's check the menus. Just press the crown button here, the same with this one. Okay, let me show it. Do they have the same UI? Okay, it's almost, or it's the same. It's not almost the same, but it is really the same UI here. Okay, okay, still have to adjust the screen display. Okay, let me check if we do have the options here. Backlight time, change it to 3 minutes. Okay, with this one, let's check. Backlight time. So as you can see here, just different frame, but seems like they have the same UI here. Maybe the same features. Heart rate, let's check. The same or similar UI here. Okay, health tricyclics, as you can see. Let me check. Okay, we have an ECG sports. Let's check for the ECG. Okay, the same UI for the sports. We have running. Okay, bike riding, strength training, baseball, football, volleyball. Okay, tennis. You have the camera, the blood pressure, the same. Okay, UI. Going back again. Reset. We have weather, looking for sleep, menu style. Okay, already showed it to you earlier. What else do we have it here? Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp application. The more section, we do have a Siri, about, set language, and set time. Okay, so practically the same features, the same UI, just different watch faces, I think. Okay, some are the same but some are not, just different body frame. Okay, so the same that T800 smartwatch, just different design for these wearables. Again, this is the T800 Pro Max, a Series 8 smartwatch, and we have here the T800 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so we have, okay, practically the same smart watches here, the same UI. Okay, both are using the Hi Watch Pro Support App. Okay, so let's try another demo for the heart rate. Let me remove this. Okay, so let's check if they will provide the same results here or almost similar results. Okay, let me adjust the layout. Okay, let's go for the heart rate. Okay, we have 76 and 82. Okay, what if we change the location here? Okay, do they have a random heart rate, or do they provide an accurate or the same results here? So there's a difference of 10. I do hope that they have an actual on or accurate heart rate monitoring and not just a random number. Okay, but anyway, if you are curious whether what is the difference between the T800 Ultra and the T800 Max smartwatch, let me tell you, it is just the body frame. Maybe some memory, I think, or processor, but I think it's just the same. Okay, so we have here the T800 and the T800 Max or Pro Max smartwatch, the same operating system, just different casing or case or frame, body frame. Okay, so I hope we answered your questions or queries on the T800 Ultra versus the T800 Pro Max smartwatch, if which is better. Okay, again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Goodbye.